Okay, so this is how to remove the grill. You're gonna come in and find these little square pieces, and as you see, if you turn them, then they will line up into that perfect box. So once you twist them, you push them through. That one's through, and that one's pretty much through on that side. Okay, so you're gonna wanna come and take the screws out at the top here. There's 3 on this side, and then 3 on this side. And I'll show you how they come out here. So you just get a flathead screwdriver on these pins, and you get underneath them and pop them up. And that way, each of these pull out. So we're gonna go ahead and take these off. Then there's clips on the inside, and we'll show you a better view, but that's what they look like. We'll show you once it's off, kind of how they come out. Then on the back side, you have these clips. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And if you look at them, all you have to do is push them until they line up like this. So you'll reach down in there and you'll just push it until it's flush, and then you just pull the grill away. So just make sure you do that and don't yank on it, and it'll pop right out that way.